This video is about Baddha Konasana, the bound angle pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go in depth on how to do bound angle pose, which is a really excellent hip opener. To begin, we are going to just sit comfortably in Sukhasana, easy pose. If your hips are tight, for instance, if you go to sit with your legs crossed and your knees are up like this, then it might be a good idea for you to sit on a blanket. You can just prop your hips up on the blanket. And we just want to bring the soles of the feet together. You want to bring the pelvis to the ground, so adjust so that the pubic bone and the sacrum are evenly on the floor. And then you want to scoot your heels back towards you. You want to push your heels together, engage your glutes. Let this action be what pushes your knees to the ground. You don't ever want to force your knees down. We can lengthen through the torso, so you can take your first two fingers, hook them around your big toes, sit up tall, broaden through the collarbones, trying to open up the chest here. Let your shoulder blades slide back down. You can also wrap your hands around your toes if you like, but it can help you open up your chest if you grab your big toes. Pushing the heels together, engaging your glutes. Allow this action to push the head of the knee closer to the floor. Another add-on that you can do is to open your feet up like a book. Just taking the balls of the feet and turning them outward. Good job. And then another add-on that you can do if it feels good is to just kind of move your knees, allowing your hips to open up. Well done. Slowly come back to easy pose. It might feel good when you are done to stretch your legs out and kind of just shake at the knees, work it out. Excellent job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to check me out on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours, my friends. Namaste.